Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, which is currently discounted. Check link in video description. So the latest update will bring streaming support also for AI assistants. So you heard this right. If you are using the response streaming feature of the chatbot, and lately also the AI forms were updated to add streaming support, response streaming support. So if you use any of these two features of the plugin, you will be able to use also assistants together with the streaming feature. So until now this was not possible because OpenAI API was not supporting this feature. However, I updated the plugin because they added recently this to their supported features list, and now Aimogen will also be able to stream messages. So let me show you what this will mean. So if we enter a message here, we will see that the streaming assistant count to 100 will make messages appear on the fly. So here it is, 6, 7, and 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, all done. If you disable the streaming, the response will appear only after the entire response is generated by the AI. So the response streaming is very beneficial for responsiveness of your chatbot, because in this case the responses will appear much faster and they will appear as they are generated by the chatbot, as you will see in the example for counting to 100. So the chatbot will not wait until the entire response is generated, but it will show the words and letters as they are generated directly from the AI's part. Okay, so AI assistant streaming is supported. AI assistants can be set up here in the AI assistants menu of the plugin. You can use it here and also enable streaming from the settings response streaming menu. And yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this update. One more thing that I want to say is that for AI forms, you can enable streaming if you edit them, and you will see in the latest update of the plugin response streaming can be set to enabled. Okay, this is all for today. Aimogen linked in this video description. It is also discounted. Thanks for watching until then. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed these updates, and until next time, this is all. Bye bye.